are here for us to be crew with.
Very admirable advocacy, animal welfare.
How can you fight impunity in terms of...
Catch or territorial, kapag inalis niyo yan dyan, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng 3 linggo.
When I saw you, parang bakit yung mga saan galing si Miss Rina?
Hello, mga kabiyaya. We're here now with this ruckus.
Wow! Spell! Spell Rockers!
We will rock us!
Rockers! Hoy, mag-ambag ka, Itlog. Itlog. Baby.
Sorry. So you were saying?
Sige po, sorry. Umpisa pa lang pala.
Sorry.
You don't need any introduction, but just in case.
Just in case. Hello po, Gerald Napoles at your service.
Hi, Nadine Lustre. Kim Molina. And this is Itlog. Hashtag Itlog ni Gerald. It's true. You check the hashtag.
Meron talaga. Lalabas talaga siya.
Hello everyone, I'm Empoy Marquez.
Nice casting.
Ganda.
Sino ka?
Ako po si JC Santos.
Wow!
May pelikula ako ngayon panoorin.
Hi everybody. I'm...
Wala pa.
Nico Manalo.
Wow!
Ako naman
Sino
po
ka?
si
Sige nga.
syempre yung nagsusupport ng welfare ng mga animals, Heart Evangelista.
Wow!
Feeling ang...
Panda, ikaw ka!
Alam mo, ano tayo natin sa mga sarili natin.
Umpisa pa lang to.
May mga pinapangarap.
And you are?
I'm Kat Galang, by the way.
So welcome everybody.
Thank you.
We wanted to do
Yes.
something light for a change because sometimes serious talk is too sobrang mabigat.
Yes.
Right? And you're all comedians. What do you think comedy brings to this world? Bakit kayo lumapit sa comedy or that's really how you were born?
Wait lang, di ba ikaw yung anak ni El, ay anak tuloy. Ikaw yung nanay ni Elmo Magalona.
Ano ka? Asawa ni Francis Magalona.
Hindi po kasi ganyan nagsabi ng
Every
pangalan mo.
color, every hue. Kamukha.
Kamukha.
Si Miss ano?
No, actually, I don't know any of the
Pia
people.
Magalona.
Pia Magalona.
I know her. Oo.
Ano yun?
Ano nga yung next question?
Kapag ni Miss Rina, kasi Miss Tisa.
Comedy. Okay.
O ano daw ang comedy, nilapitan daw ba tayo?
Nilapitan mo ba?
Nilapitan mo.
Were you graced or blessed or ganun lang talaga? Made?
Bakit ka napunta?
Siguro kasi ako lumaki kasi ako sa Tondo. So, bangkaan. Tawag namin doon bangkaan. Pag isang grupo, meron talagang bangka. Kumbaga merong isang nagpapatawa or laging may topic, mag-open ang topic. Tapos kakasama, na-develop ko yung skills, yung pagiging, kailangan may ambag. May ambag ka how to, yung timing mo, comic timing. Pero, when I started theater, of course, because of my looks, hindi na ako nakitang komedyante.
Nahirapan sila nilagay ka.
That's the truth.
Pwede tong lead Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, ang una nilang nakita sa akin, alam mo kung ano?
Kakairita pa hingin ng wine.
Ang una kong role kasi aliping sa gigilid eh.
Hindi ba puno? Sabi mo naging puno ka.
Siyempre naging puno ako, pero yung puno, pangalawang role yun.
Alipin ka muna.
Pag sa umpisa, di ba, showcase kayong lahat, di ba? Alipin. Second act, puno-puno ka na lang. Puno-puno.
Umiikot.
So, oo. Tapos hanggang sa, nagamit ko yung comedy skills ko sa theater when I auditioned for the remake of Magsimula Ka kala Ate Isay
Peter
and Robert
Robert.
Senya.
Yes.
Sabi sa akin, Je, gusto ka namin gawing yung role ni Jograd de la Torre noong 80s.
Hindi ko alam naman yung totoong Jograd.
Merong totoong Jograd.
Meron totoong Jograd.
Je, bagay ka, kaya mo mag-comedy? Sabi ni Kuya Robert. Sige po, pwede naman ako mag-read. Tingnan nyo na lang kung effective sa inyo. Bagay ka mag-Jograd de la Torre. ano pong ibig niyong sabihin? Ba't ako bagay mag-geography? May nakita ba kayo?
Bakit yun ang unang niyong sinabi?
Pero kasi long hair din ako, sakto rin. And then, when I did the role of Jograd de la Torre, effective naman. So that's when I started doing comedies sa TV nung nagkaroon ako ng management. So, sakto din. Naging napagkakitaan natin yung pagiging tambay.
Oo.
Yeah, no, di ba yun eh?
na-ROI mo na siya.
Oo,
Yeah.
na-ROI na natin. Ikaw, Kimi.
Ako, I'm thinking kung paano nag-start. Kasi singer talaga ako.
Yes.
That's how it's... Nahihiya. There were nights when the wind... Hindi kasi, I never really saw myself as a comedian before.
Hindi ka ba ganun kakalog dati?
Yun nga, iniisip ko kung...
Parang hindi.
Sa school
Pero
kasi
makulit
serious
ka eh.
ako. As in, akads. Tapos, I think, pero sa circle of friends ko, ano talaga ako, like, jolly. I don't like, ayoko nang kapag kunwaring malungkot yung kasama ko, parang meron akong,
May mali.
ayokong tanungin directly, is something wrong with you? Kasi baka, syempre, ayaw niyang i-ano. So, I would rather make that person smile. So, that's me as a person. So, siguro, gano'n na lang. Tapos, yun nga, I did theater. And then, pagdating naman sa mainstream, same as with Je. And I think a lot of us would, makakaintindi dun sa, sinabi rin namin din yun sa podcast din namin na it was really hard for us. Nagkaroon ng process for us to have lead roles. So, nagkaroon ng uso na unconventional leading men and leading ladies. So, that's when kami naging leads. But then, yun nga, if you're not that standard of beauty sa show business here in the Philippines, nung time namin, it was hard. So, laging yung best friend o kaya yung sidekick. So, ganun siya nag-start. So, I think, na-develop na lang din kasi kami from Rock of Ages. Ako kasi, I grew up in Saudi Arabia and I literally grew up in four walls of my room. Bawal ako lumabas without my parents. Bawal, as in anything bawal. So, my social skills weren't that really good when I went back to the Philippines. So, nung nag-theater ako, nag-develop. And itong dalawang to, ang ka-love team ko sa Rock of Ages. And with everyone with Rock of Ages, na-develop na lang yung humor ko, I guess.
Yeah.
So, jologs din ako. So, I found that, I belong! So, apparently, that's how it all developed. So, ayun, your turn!
Ganda. Ako naman, 5 years old pa lang kasi ako, fascinated na ako sa tae.
Ayan ka na
Baka naman ang bango.
Alam mo, dahil dyan sa tayo, natanggal ako sa last one lapping.
Do you know what the name of the study of poops is?
What?
Scatological matter.
Scatological
Matter. That's the study of all kinds of poops.
Oh my God.
You like that? You should study it.
Hindi, tsaka sakto milig ako mag-scatting.
Yan. Pwede. Yun yung tungkol. Yun yung, gawa ka kanta tungkol doon.
So baka
Scatological matter.
I'm very much fascinated with anything about shit at a very young age. Even my own. Actually, my own. I started with being fascinated with
What? You look at your own shit.
Tapos, mahilig, pinagtatawanan ko lahat, even yung pinakakadiri. Na nagamit ko sa LOL.
Oo, kaya pala.
Kaya ako natanggal. Dahil
Pero
din
kaya
sa shit
pala.
mo.
Yun, so...
Ang sobrang comfortable mo dun sa...
Yes.
Yes.
Sa toilet humor.
Toilet humor.
Tapos nung nakita ko sila Borat, sila Sasha
Oh,
Baron Cohen, sila
shit.
Will Ferrell. Okay. That's why.
Sobrang bagay sa iyo.
You should do that movie.
Bruno and Borat.
Oh my God, you should do a movie like
Yan,
that here.
mga-
Hello, producers? Pepe needs to do one.
So, yun,
Oo
parang
naman. Oo.
Nasa dugo ko talaga siya.
Yung tae?
Yeah, totoo.
Si Borat?
Actually, nung 5 years old ako, natikman ko na yung sarili kong tae.
Ano ba yan? Ang
Too
ganda.
much, diba?
Ano ba tong podcast
Kahit
na to?
tayo.
Scatological matter.
Pwede
So,
mo
in-study niya kasi.
Oh my gosh, I think that's the title of this episode.
Ang gandang title nun.
Scatology.
Scatology.
Ang gandang title. Akala mo seryoso,
Oo,
no?
scatology.
Pero
Ay,
tayo.
ang ganda. Okay, wag na. Baka magaya yung concept.
Oo, sa atin muna.
Oo, tama na.
Ganon ako ka-curious from a very young age na feeling ko connected sa humor ko.
Yeah, toilet humor.
Tapos, nung naging artista ako, apparently, may market pala yun. So, nag-thrive ako.
Lalo na sa age of social media.
Oo.
Lahat na may market. Dati tabu yung iba eh.
That's true. We could all
Pero
talk
ngayon,
about anything.
may market na eh.
Ikaw na magsisimula nun.
Tapos feeling ko, hindi siya makakancel eh. May kilala ba kayong tao na na-cancel dahil sa tae?
Wala.
Wala, you know
pa
why?
naman.
Because it's truth.
Pero pag tumahay ka ngayon dito,
Diba?
kaka-cancel ka namin.
Itlog nga eh. Yan yung nangyayari sa namin sa rock. So, paano ko hindi magiging nakakatawa? Araw-araw silang ganyan.
It's very childlike kasi.
Tama.
Yun.
Ganun ka. You are very,
Very.
In a good way.
Sige. Dede na ang bebe, dede na.
Eh si Nico, oh my God,
Ako kasi wala talaga sa dugo ko.
Hello!
Ang daling isipin.
Sa pa Jose Manalo.
The host in
Yes, you don't know.
Itbulaga.
Yeah.
It's okay.
No, I don't have
Hindi nag-watch si Miss Rina.
He's a son
Yeah,
of
and I love it.
probably one of the most iconic and
Yes.
famous comedian in the Philippines, Jose Manalo.
Jose Manalo.
the time of like Chiquito.
No.
Currently, nasa Itbulaga.
Currently.
Nasa
He's
Itbulaga.
still in
Okay.
Bulaga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Pero,
That's it. That's the start.
ako, ano kasi?
So wait, you grew up like that? Rumble sa bahay parate?
Well, hindi naman po. Pero parang feeling ko, kuha ko yung essence. Ganon. Parang yung understanding of things. Baka parang nakuha ko. Kasi bata pa lang ako, sarcastic na ako. Hindi ko pa alam yung ibig sabihin ng sarcasm. Ganon na ako eh. Parang, yun nga, parang di mo na tayo bibigat, no? So, kasi pero may mga dark side ka na gusto mong itago. So, sa humor lumalabas yun. So,
I'm like that.
Doon nag-start.
A lot of these people get shocked with my humor.
Because
Kasi,
feeling nila mabigat.
Ayun, no? Tumatawa na.
No, I get it. Ako, ganun din ako. Parang,
Like the t-shirts that I create, yung cat,
oo.
tapos yung farts ng cat hearts.
yes. I love it.
Bibili ako niyan.
Pepe likes it.
Ganda.
It's fart. It's connected
That's
to
art.
What was the term?
Fart.
scatter.
Starter?
Scatology.
Scatology.
Yeah, yun.
Scatology.
Okay, so continue.
Ayun, pero sa sa comedy, kasi, nanood ako ng play dati, nung nagsisimula pa lang ako umarte. Tapos, alam ko na hindi ako magbibida. Parang gano'n yung pakiramdam ko na dati. Kasi nakikita ko naman yung mga, kumbaga archetype.
Yeah, the standard.
Yung standard, nakikita ko naman. May pinanood akong play, tapos actually walang sugat.
Ay, ang ganda ng
Walang
play.
sugat.
Ay, ang ganda nun.
Ganda ng play.
Tapos, yung
Yun
role,
din yung walang aray.
di ba yung role ng best friend, nakakatawa siya, di ba, the whole time. Pero sa dulo, sinagip niya yung bida. Sabi ko, yun ako.
Yes.
Pwede ako dun, sabi ko.
Masingit ko lang, no?
Oo.
Sorry. May napanood kasi ako, The Great Company Podcast. May isang clip sila sa Reels na oftentimes we think that parang there's a study na we think that comedians usually came off from depressed background sa buhay nila. But actually, it's also, most of the time, it's an outcome dahil they may have a depressed parent.
Yeah.
Parents?
It's Jim Carrey. It came from Jim Carrey. The Jim Carrey theory siya.
Yeah.
So parang ginagawa mo, nag-overcompensate ka so that you make it happy for when your parents are around.
Yes.
Kulit ka,
Okay.
makulit
That
ka,
makes sense.
you're
That makes
extra
sense.
active, something like that. Because
Yeah.
you see,
Oh, wow.
I don't know, parang you don't know if you understand, but somehow you feel the pain of the parent.
Yeah.
I get that.
May ganun, nakinabasa ko lang.
Baka nga ganun yung
Because of
nangyari sa akin.
nasingit ko lang because Nico, may mga background siya
Yeah.
regarding,
Yeah, depressive ako, actually. Depressive ako. And yung mom ko rin may mga mental health things din siya.
Salamat, mommy and daddy.
Thank you for making us comedians.
No, but I understand. We come from a very, very, very dysfunctional family. So that's my humor is, ang sabi ng anak ko na British educated, you have a wicked,
Wicked.
you have a wicked, dark
Ah.
sense of humor.
Yeah.
Then I said, and you have toilet humor. Pasok, di ba?
Yeah.
So, yun. But I understand that because you're constantly trying to make up for something, even not only for others, but even for yourself.
Definitely.
Diba?
Saka yun nga, at a young age, kagaya nung sinabi po ni Jeff, parang without even knowing it, na parang nagkaroon ka lang ng instinct.
There's a responsibility.
Intuition na,
That's also survival mechanism.
Yes. Panganay din po ako. So, I think that plays a huge part. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ang ganda na episode na to, therapy.
Oo, correct.
Sabi nila, wag mabigat.
Teka lang
No,
ha.
we can be mabigat na. But look at the great comedians. Sorry, I'm a big fan of Robin Williams.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Diba? And tino mo, napaka-sensitive niya. He was roommates yata with, sino to? Si Superman? Yung, he got paralyzed.
Reeves.
Christopher
Reeves.
Yeah, not only classmate, roommate.
Roommates.
Yes.
Talaga ba?
Oo. And then, nung nagka-aksidente,
Mm.
Robin Williams was paying all the hospital bills
Yeah, I
kasi
heard
ang
about
dami.
this.
And then, he hires street dwellers sa mga shows niya.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yun. Ang ganda. So, not only sensitive, but I think what I'm getting, and I haven't gotten to you first, is that you discover yourself from all these things. And the minute may pasok ng anak, kid, I mean, fur kid, umiiba din.
Yes.
Yep.
Kasi iba
Yep.
naman, kasi dogs, unconditional love. Tapos si cats is like, so one teaches you about toddlers and babies. The other one, teenagers. Si cat teaches you how to deal with teenagers. Right? That's my, I have both eh.
Yeah.
Pwede yun, si cat o mga pusa?
Cats.
Cats with a C.
Cats galang.
Okay.
Pusang gala.
Pusang
galang. Ang ganda. Pwedeng IG.
Dapat yun na lang yung IG handle mo.
Gusto ko nang i-hashtag yun sa
galang.
mga pusa ko, pusang galang.
Ang ganda.
Ganda.
Akin na yun ah.
Oo, sa'yo na yun.
Ang dami natin nilalabas dito.
Copyright.
Ayoko na ako magsalita.
Kuya,
Mga
amin ka.
Amin yun. Pati yung idea ng stacology.
Oo, yun.
Ano yung stuff?
Ikaw, Kat.
Ako, yung mga shinare nyo kanina, parang doon ko na-figure out na, oo nga.
Ayaw ko lang mag-isip ng sayo. Gusto ko copy-paste.
Ang tamad. Hindi totoo. Yung sinabi mo na ko overcompensate. Kasi I also came from a broken family. So feeling ko, parang siguro pag nasa mga group of friends ka, you try to be normal. Or yung parang, na hindi ka naman aware na parang,
Try to be normal.
hindi,
I love
kasi
that.
feeling ko there's something abnormal na hindi mo alam.
I get
Hindi
that,
ka
yeah.
aware kasi bata ka pa. Hindi ka naman, hindi mo alam yung term about it. Hindi mo alam na nagsasuffer ka pala about it.
Gets.
Tapos, sobrang dami ko rin mga childhood traumas. So, feeling ko,
You wanna act like normal. Everything's normal, no? Paano ba?
Kaya,
Saan
I'm still a
overcompensate?
child.
totoo, there's really a child in you. Di ba?
I'm still trying to fit in. Di ba?
There's
56,
really.
ganito pa rin. Patay na ba ako ng ganito?
Pero ang youthful nga ng energy mo eh.
Totoo.
Actually,
There's a
nung nakita ko
child
kayo
in
sa labas
you.
kanina.
Ay, talaga. I don't wanna grow up. Peter Pan is I'm a fan.
Di ba? Yun siya eh. Parang lagi ka rin merong madidiscover about yourself. And I feel, yun sa akin naman, nag-start siya. Hindi ko alam na sa comedy ako mapupunta. Kasi mag-aarte ako, pero seryoso ko lang siya gagawin. Pero eventually, nakatatawa pala sila. So parang, feeling ko, parang
yung nag-viral sa'yo.
yun nga, di ba? So may seryoso acting ako doon. Pero akala na, I had this viral video 7 years ago. They called me Tassel Girl. So parang parang boom to nung social media influencers during that time. So wala pa masyado mga kumakalat na mga videos na ganon. Parang nag-upload lang ako nun for the sake of may mga baliw teatro friends din. Na ganon din naman sila, nag-upload din. That's like a parang 3-minute video na kumakanta ako ng Stupid Love ng Salbakuta. So nagra-rap ako, tapos uminom ako ng beer sa ending, tapos umiyak ako. So parang alam mo yun, siguro nagtitry lang ako maglabas ng emosyon ng gabing yon. Kasi eventually, the next day, sumabog yung social media accounts ko, nag-viral siya. So people, parang they thought na, hala, broken-hearted si ate. Ang dami nag-PM sa akin na okay lang yan, malalampasan mo rin yan. Ganto. Oo, pero in real life, I'm a happy married woman.
Gusto
diba?
mo lang mag-perform.
Oo, gusto ko lang mag-perform. Yun yun.
Napapansin lang yan.
Yung parang ganun. So parang feeling ko, comedians, hindi nila minimin na magpatawa talaga. They are just serious about their stuff. Ako yun ang interpretation ko. Sobrang seryoso lang natin sa craft natin.
Correct.
Na parang sa sobrang na pumapasok yung audiences sa nararamdaman nyo, nafe-feel na nila lahat ng tingling emotions na, nakakatawa.
Kasi di ba mas nakakatawa kapag ginagawa mo lang, hindi yung nagpapatawa.
Oo, correct.
Yun kasi,
That's
for
two
me,
different,
that's
two different things, yeah.
Di ba? Ikaw,
Ako pakiramdam ko kasi, hindi... Ano nga yung sasabihin ko? Hindi, ito, naalala ko na.
Ginagalan mo na ba yan?
Naalala ko na. We, personally, ewan ko kung makaka-relate kayo. I thrive on honesty. To the point of yung mga awkward for some people, I love saying those things. And people somehow find it funny. Yun na.
Mga intrusive thoughts.
Oo, intrusive
Oh,
thoughts.
ikaw si
sabihin
Mr.
eh.
Intrusive Thoughts
Yun.
Sarap sabihin.
Yun.
Best example?
Yun. Yung
What you just...
Tapos yung for example, may sa social media, may elephant in the room kasi yung dalawa naming castmates nagkagustuhan pero hindi pinag-uusapan. Tapos ihirit ko na lang, uy, di ba nagkagusto ko kay Tapos, yung gano'n. Hindi ko na nga sinabi. Yung gano'n. That's pa yun mababaw pa yun. Yun.
Pero alam mo, a lot of people cannot take honesty.
Oo.
Yun nga.
A lot.
Kaya ang
More
daming-
often than not.
Kaya ang hirap magpatawa ngayon.
I think yung gift na nabigay sa amin is to be able to express honesty na hindi mabigat para sa mga tao. Lalo na dun sa nahihirapan tanggapin yung brutal honesty.
Oh, and then so finally you make some friends and you think they can take your honesty kasi you know them na so long. And then they'll tell you, nasaktan ako doon. Yeah, I was like, that wasn't the intention. So, balik na naman sa loob. Kasi parang, I'm very observant kasi of people.
Of course, we don't want to hurt other people.
Yeah, pero like, you can dish your honesty to me. Why can't, and I'm in this stage of, why do I need to edit myself? So either you love me or you hate me. Hindi ko na kaya yung middle. Although if hindi ko kilala, magbe-middle ako kasi baka mabigla. Right? Especially, mestiza. Tapos ganito, ganon. Parang, ang taray, ang
Mata pobre.
Yes, and I'm so the opposite, right?
Yeah.
Pero it's like,
Yes,
Sorry.
yes.
Sorry sa pani, Miss Rina. Gusto mo ipamanicure kita mamaya. Joke lang, ito naman.
I do it myself.
Oo.
Wala akong time.
Kaya nga.
Hindi, ngangat-ngatin ko mamaya yan.
Okay, para di ka magka-ingroon. Sarili talaga dapat. Pag sa mga salon
No,
nagkaka-ingroon.
in fact, I finally had a
Natasha.
proper haircut. When was it? 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago? But normally, when I'm out with the Marines, sila ang nagpuputol. Sabi nga, Ma'am Marines, labas tenga this time. Sila ang nagpuputol ng hair ko. Yeah, kasi wala akong time. So, pag may
Pwede
time,
kami. Ako pwede, bangs. Gusto mo? Master ko yung bangs.
nanay na nanay yung master yung
Master ko
Before
yung
I
bangs.
used to go upside down. Okay, when I had long
Ikaw,
hair.
sa sarili mo.
Then I got short, diba? So, yun. So, I don't know. Kaya nga they always, it's very funny. Some of my friends say, alam mo, Rina, parang you have to spend more time with the educated. That's not your thing. I said, you lack
Finesse?
no, yeah, there's a finesse part, but what's the word she used? She said you lack intellectual conversation. So sabi ko, kasi I was with the tropa, Marines. We were drinking. And then somebody posted the photo. No, parang, and I said, do you know that even we talk about everything and nothing, pero feel na feel ko sila. Feel na feel ko sila. And I feel more that I fit into them than I fit into the other side. Outlier ako eh. So, parang, I got so parang, how can you tell me that? So when I went back and I told her, hey, you know what? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are to to say that about me. And then, do you even know who I am? I'm only showing you a part of myself. Because I don't feel safe with you.
Yun, feeling safe with a circle. Minsan hindi dahil ito yung feeling mo social status mo or dito ka.
Yeah.
May mga ano ka talaga, circle na doon ka komportable. Diba?
Oh, no. And then so funny because like coming here, you saw me, I rescued the dog.
Yeah,
Diba? I rescued the dog near the palengke. So, I came down from the car. Mandulo yung nose me na. So sabi, uy, nandito si Miss Rina, nandito si Biaya. Right? So sabi ko, yung aso mukhang may sakit. Oh, ma'am, kunin mo na si Erica. Kunin mo na
siya yung
si
bit-bit
Erica.
mo kanina.
Then she was like, oh, this is Addition Hills Black 38.
Addition Hills.
Black 38. We've been there so many times. He said, ay, yung matanda dyan, he has 6 dogs, ganito, tulungan. Sige, balikan ko po kayo. Right? But, parang, I feel more comfortable there. And what is intellect?
Yeah.
What is intellect if it doesn't mean to connect you? If intellect is just to separate you, to show some sort of gap, huwag na.
Correct, oo.
Huwag na. Kaya I love animals.
Yeah. Hindi namimili.
Well, look at all my stitches in my face. Talagang hindi na mamili. But yeah. So, parang the animals became my bridge to love humans.
Correct.
Although I love humans.
Yeah.
We have 200
Pero
staff
mahirap
here.
mahalin ng humans. Let's
sos,
be real.
Mariones.
Medyo mahirap i-please.
May demand to reciprocate eh.
Oo. Kumpara sa pagmamahal ng hayop,
may expectation din.
Oo.
Ikaw naman, kung magmamahal ka, usual na yun, may expectation ka eh. Hindi totoo yung, huwag ka mag-expect. Hindi totoo yun.
Oo.
Well,
Ikaw, ano
it's a
masasabi
dream.
mo?
Si Itlog.
Ano sasabi mo tungkol sa humans?
Oo nga. Wala siyang masasabi.
The most loyal, the most unconditional love. Kaya as kids, they all had their own dogs. All dogs and cats. Yun.
Hindi ko mo consider na intellect though eh. Nahihirapan akong intellect. Parang tanong sa utak ko, intellect ba talaga yon if you are disconnected?
Hindi nga eh.
If you are disconnecting.
Disconnecting. Yan. Yung feeling ko is, are we gonna talk about Brahms' Fourth Symphony?
Ano pag gusto nila? By the book.
About? You get it?
That's knowledge eh.
That's knowledge. It's not, diba? So there should be a connection.
Oh, it's knowledge, it's not wisdom. So yung
Good point. Very good point.
Kasi feeling ko kung matalino ka talagang tao, hindi mahirap para sa intindihin na everything is connected.
Yes.
You cannot disconnect yourself from anyone and everyone. Lalo na it's a known fact na hindi tayo magkakaparehas ng pag-uugali. Diba?
Well, thank God for that. Otherwise, life will be so boring if we're all the same, hindi ba?
Kasi nung panahon ng tawag nila doon silent generation eh. The silent generation eh. Yung pag tinitigan ka, tumigil ka na. Ngayon kasi i-explain mo na yan sa mga bata, di ba? Sa panahon kasi ng silent generation, ano lang yan, black or white lang yan eh. So they call it intellect. Nasakop na ng intellect lahat. Even wisdom, even spiritual knowledge, even spiritual communication. Parang ang alam lang nila, ito lang yon. Kailangan matalino ka sa lahat ng bagay. Parang ganun. Which is ngayon, madami ng sangay, di ba? May mga branches na, di ba? Meron ng emotion. I have to feel connected muna to that person before mapasok niya kung ano ako eh.
The one that I watch is An XU.
I
didn't understand the title. And then, okay, hello.
When you watched it.
I was watching it, naka-earphones ako. And then I was laughing because my husband was near the room, no? Then he was like, what are you laughing about? I said in Spanish, tonteria. You know what is tonteria? It's like stupidity.
Stupid.
Yeah, like tonta is stupid. So tonteria. Then
in Tagalog, katarantaduhan. Tonteria.
I said, where's that? So I told him, you watch this movie, I'll send you the link.
You watch this katarantaduhan.
Yeah, diba? And but it made me so happy because I always watch memes And I always watch things before I sleep because I love it. Especially, people falling down, hitting themselves.
My partner's
If you
kasi.
want that, you should watch the movie of them together.
You should watch our movie.
But again, it's parang no longer politically correct. Parang it's so boring kung ganon. You get what I mean?
Yes.
I really don't like that. What we're not being real na everything is proper or
Yeah.
whatever, right? Parang so art I think is wait, we didn't let you finish.
No, I'm done.
You're done.
Apo.
Okay.
Uwi na nga siya.
lang ako.
Ayaw niyo nga po
Kasi na okay na ako
magsalita
nandyan na yung
Uwi na nga siya. She's done.
No, I just feel that art is the humanity of things. Because we are
that's nice.
art.
Yeah.
We are art, God's creation, hindi ba? So, sabi ko, well, if God made me like this, of course you can't be mean or cruel or whatever, but if God makes me like this, and if people don't accept you, then how do you accept yourself? Kung hindi ka parang warrior. Diba? And I think it's so important. We really are lacking honesty, authenticity, and humor. They take it too serious.
Naisip ko, it all started nung pwede nang magsalita lahat on social media, right?
Gagawa ka lang ang account.
And it sort of like, while listening to all of you, it connects to the topic of connection. Kasi what if like those people, they just want to connect with other people. And the only way, and the only way for them to connect with other people is to type something, to post something. And if that certain topic is like the trend now, edi may
feeling belong.
Dapat
belong ka.
Dapat may masabi ka.
So it di ba,
may masabi ka.
connected siya. Dapat may
Sobra
masabi ka. So I think
Exactly.
that's how it all started. Ngayon, ang tagal nang may social media. Ang tagal nang may digital platforms, everyone. So everyone's like, oh, this is normal na eh.
Parang ito
Diba?
in addition to what you're saying,
It's just a
ngayon,
theory.
ngayon, kasi siyempre naabutan natin yung walang social media. Diba?
Yeah.
Ngayon, parang napansin ko, may urge sa akin na makisawsaw sa isang topic na pwede namang hindi ako magsalita tungkol doon. For example, the political stuff. Hindi na ako magsabi ko na yung topic, but there's a very hot topic about this political thing right now. Alam mo, nagkakaroon ka ng urge na, magsasabi rin ako kasi ito yung opinion ko eh. May opinion ka, sinasabi ng utak mo na i-post mo. Post mo yan. May mag-agree eh. And then you want that approval eh. Correct.
It's
You want that affirmation.
affirmation.
Diba? Nag-agree yung mga tao sa akin. You just want that 31 likes and 3 comments.
I
Sapat na sa'yo yun eh.
That's how it developed. Kasi before, we're mostly sa batch natin, di ba? Wala pang social media. Start pala ng social media. Nung kami ni Kat, yung sa inyo kasi matagal talaga.
Oo. Ano bang edad niyo? Charing. Sorry. 1990 ano ba kayo? 1980 ano ba kayo?
Nabutan ko sa
Nasabi
beeper
lang
eh.
kasi.
Pag tumawag ka, pwede pa sa sabi. Bawal po yun. Bawal po yun eh. Bawal po talaga yun, sir.
Oh my God, di ko inabutan
Hindi kasi,
yan.
hindi naman.
Nabutan natin
Beeper? Sa island ako galing. Walang beeper sa Alabat Island. Oo.
Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam.
Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang Alabat Island po ay sa Region 4. Ano siya?
Southern Tagalog?
Probinsya siya ng Quezon Province. So, isla yung sa amin. As in, magbabangka ka pa para makarating doon. Walang Jollibee doon, walang 7-Eleven doon.
Kaya wala kayong beeper.
Walang beeper doon, Oo. Doon ako lumaki. So, naging taga Maynila lang ako nung college ako. Onwards. Pero doon ako tubo.
So, so sila walang beeper. Ganun
Walang beeper.
Sorry na wala yung thought ko. Natuwa ako sa
Kasi
Alabat
kami,
Island.
ako naman, kaya
Sorry.
Alabat Island.
Ako naman, kaya wala akong kaya may beeper ako kasi siyempre sa Tondo ako nakatira.
Ganun pala sa Tondo?
No, Agawan. Agawan. Kahit di sa'yo na yan.
Snatch ang bote.
Gusto ko yung beeper niya, dilaw. Akin na yan. Ganun sa amin eh.
Okay, kasama.
Kaya
Hindi
pala.
sinabi binili niya.
Wala mo sinabi binili ko yun. Hindi ko ma-afford yun eh.
Kaya pala.
Alam mo, Miss Rina, it's still part of the topic. It's connection. Right?
Diba?
So apparently, it's still part of our topic of what we're talking about.
Pwede naman mag-sorry.
People would always want to connect. Connect, belong.
Connect and belonging.
Different forms of connection.
Yeah.
Sabi nga ng Nokia, connecting people.
Naka na.
Kaya yung nakakita ka ng Nokia block, kinuha ko kagad eh. Manaliit, di ba?
Ikaw, may beeper ka ba nun?
Hindi, sa tatay ko lang. Nakikipip. Mas mas landline ako dati.
Ganun po. Panahon na panahon, no? Ganun yung landline.
Oy, in Batangas, it's like this.
Oh.
It's like this, tapos may operator, and then tatawag si operator.
May ganon. Ano yun?
They make like that. I don't know what that is. You're on a phone booth. You, panalo sa age. Age.
Okay, nalala si Miss Rina.
Age is like one. Age is like one. So, you're gonna talk to this box.
Miss Rina, ano yung sa'yo? Yung ganon, yung cup?
Cup.
Yung may string.
No, hindi. Parang string, pero it's like a cup. Ganon. Ano yung talking to ganito?
Ano ka ba?
Imagine ko si Rina.
Mare, may bigas ka ba dyan?
Styrofoam. Tapos may tali. Tapos sa kabila naman, Mare, wala.
Tapos ginaganon mo pa yung string.
No. Ang sinasabi niya, Spanish din.
Tortilla.
Meron ka bang ano dyan? Torta. Mare, wala.
Panahon na abacus.
So, ano sinasabi mong ganun?
Hindi, yun yung papakinggan mo dito. Pero magsasalita ka dun sa...
You do this, and it calls the operator, then there's a cup here, and there's a cup here, and then that's how you talk.
Collect call.
Nasa loob kasi yung kausap mo.
It's a collect call.
Okay naman ako dito. Sa loob yung kausap.
90s comedy.
Sorry.
Pupunta ka pa ng Central.
Para gumamit nun.
Ang hindi na natin inabutan yung telegrama.
Gusto ko yun.
Ano ba yung telegrama?
Pare katabi mo. Katabi mo yung itatype niya yun. Di ba ganun? Itatype niya. Pakisabi po na kulang na po ang bigas sa...
Seryoso ba? May
kulang
taga-type?
na ang bigas. Telegrama yun. Kasi papadala yun.
Per character yun eh.
Per character, babayaran mo yun. 25 per character. Ganun.
I'm sorry.
Stop. Di ba may...
Stop.
Oo.
Diba, something, stop.
That's end of the sentence.
Ikaw nagkasabi kasi, no?
Yun yung period.
Kasi kung ano yung sasabihin mo,
Babanggitin.
kaya para kang nagmo-monologue.
Ay, ang ganda!
Ang ganda!
Pwede performance. Amin yun, ha?
Kasi pare, syempre, sasabihin mo yung...
Sa intellectual rights.
Di ba, halimbawa malayo ka, sundalo, di ba? Magte-telegram ka, nakatabi ka sa kanya. Tapos syempre, habang kinasabi mo yun, nararamdaman mo, miss na kita. Gusto ilang buwan na lang, ako'y uuwi na.
Stop, tapos sasabihin mo, stop.
No, naranasan ko yan. When I was posted in, somewhere, I don't remember, Mindanao yata.
Ba't? Militar ka ba?
Anyway, yung papunta is 2 months. Yung letter.
Telegrama.
No, not even telegram kasi ibang area walang telegram. Letter talaga. So slow mail.
Sulat kamay.
Tapos snail mail. Oo, tapos you answer.
Mabagal pa lang
then two months.
Kasi barko yun eh.
So imagine for example, nag-separate na yung wife, ayaw na sa husband. Matatanggapan niya ng 2 months after. And then he replies 2 months after. So, 4 months niya, talagang hiwalay na.
Hindi ko kaya yun, ang taga natin mag-away.
Oo nga. Ano ba yan?
Ang tagal ko magdadabog.
Mas patient ka noong panahon na yan.
Yun, babalik tayo dun sa... Ngayon, hindi na patient masyado lahat ng tao.
Demanding.
They want result agad eh.
They want result kaagad. If you don't answer the messages, whatever, to the point na hindi ako very IT blinak ko yung ibang tao kasi we get so many messages. Na-hurt sila sa akin.
Hindi sila
Sabi ko, wait, I didn't know you can unfollow.
Para mukhang hindi
Bago
mo blinak.
unfriend, bago unfollow, block ka agad
Oo,
sa
sa
kanya.
kanya yun agad.
Mr. Na meron ding hide, ha? May
Pwede
hide.
hide.
You're
Hide
still a
muna.
friend of the person, but you
Hindi mo
won't
na
be
sila
able to
makita.
see
Ay,
the post.
ma-hurt talaga siya.
Okay.
Ma-message lang.
Ma-hurt talaga kasi binlock mo na.
Oo, sabi di ko na siya
Sa
ma-search.
live.
Ganon yun, Miss Rina.
Binak mo ko, gano'n.
At least ngayon malalaman na nila pag
Oo.
napanood.
Pag di nyo na si search si Miss Rina,
Hindi mo lang alam.
Kasi can
Hindi
you
mo
imagine
alam.
how many rescues? Good guy, I have Hannah now. But every day, how many do you get?
messages.
No,
Paparescue.
rescues. How many was our rescues? Last month, 165 rescues. And then this month, wala pa. So talagang, I mean, can you at least bring the animal na lang to us? Kesa na we're gonna go.
So what's the requirement para requirement to ma-rescue?
Ngayon, we have like 3,000. Okay.
Rescues.
So, yeah. And it's very hard to take care of rescues. They're really better with a human. Their own human. Right? But no choice. So, the requirement right now is in dire need. Nasagasaan. Or mama dogs. Normally, ang hirap itanggi yung mga mama dogs and yung mga mama cats. And kittens.
Nice.